How to increase internet speed on iPhone. Restart your iPhone to refresh its performance. You can swipe down from the top, tap the power icon and slide to turn it off, or press volume up and the side button together until you see the power slider. Turn the phone back on by holding the side button, or just ask Siri to restart your iPhone. Next, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Tap the info icon next to your network and turn off low data mode if it's enabled. Copy your Wi-Fi password, tap Forget this network and reconnect to refresh your connection. Then go to Settings, tap General, and select Background App Refresh. Turn it off to save data and improve overall speed. If you have a VPN or proxy enabled, turn it off because it can slow down your internet. Go back to Settings, open General, and tap Software Update to install the latest iOS version. If your speed is still slow, open Settings, go to General, scroll to the bottom, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but will refresh all network settings. If the problem happens in a browser, clear its cache. For example, in Settings, scroll to Safari, tap Clear History and Website Data and confirm. Do the same for Chrome or any other browser you use. Finally, if you're using 4G, go to Settings, open Cellular or Mobile Data, and switch to 5G under Voice and Data for faster speeds. These steps will help improve your internet speed whether you're on Wi-Fi or cellular data.